you people had studied about the classification of fiber. What do you mean by the natural or the man-made fiber? We also came to know about what the primitive man had done to make his clothing. He had twisted the bundles of grass which gave him the strength, and also he was able to use it as his clothing. In the second unit, fiber, fabric and their properties, it is the basic unit of textile of fabric is fiber. In order to understand fibers, we have to understand about the origin and properties of the fiber. This unit is a complete introduction to fiber and fabric and may help students to understand the different qualities of fabric. Unit 2. Fiber, fabric and their properties. Objectives. After going through this unit, you will be able to understand fiber, know about their origin as natural or artificial fabric. Introduction. The quality and properties of the fiber are the basic of the fabric quality and properties. It is important for this reason that the general characteristics of natural fibers should be studied. Selection of fibers depend on the quality, their use, performance, requirements and price of the ultimate fabric. The term textile fibers refers to fibers that can be spun into yarn or made into fabric by such operations as weaving and other processes. Weaving, one of the first craft, was practiced as early as the New Stone Age. Qualities of fibers. The word quality is a relative term indicating degree of excellence of fabric. All fibers are produced in a range of qualities because of different growing conditions such as varieties of plants, breeds of animals, soils and climate and cultivation method. Each fiber type is named differently because it possesses certain general characteristics which distinguish it from other fibers. Properties essential to make a fiber. Each fiber has particular properties: fiber length, fiber strength, fiber uniformity and fiber elasticity. Self-check questions. What do you understand by the quality of fiber? Question number 2. Write the essential properties of fibers. I hope you people had understood the lesson earlier. Now I would request all of you to discuss amongst yourself the answer, and if need be, please take the help of your mentor. If you have done so, let me continue with the lesson. Some properties of textile fibers are: how heat affects textile fibers' properties. Heat helps the fiber as fabric to gain certain special qualities at certain things, are also harmful at other times. Under special conditions, heat helps fibers acquire the following characteristics: softening or melting with temperatures, tendency of fiber and fabric to shrink when taken away from the heat, or stretch when heated and under tension. Ability of the fabric to function properly at room temperature, or some other lower temperature after exposure at high temperature for a given period of time. The effects of sunlight on fiber. What do you think can sunlight do to the fiber? If cotton fiber is taken, or the wool fiber, or the nylon, or the polyester, do you know what is going to happen? Cotton, when it is affected with sunlight for a long time, it loses its strength. The wool fiber also loses its strength and the dyeing is affected. If we take the nylon fiber, there is no discoloration or strength loss even after long exposures. When we talk about polyester, some loss of strength is there, but no discoloration is there. What about absorbency? Absorbency is the amount of water which a fiber absorbs. Comfort mainly depends on the fiber's ability to absorb moisture. The human body gives off moisture through the skin in the form of perspiration. One aspect of comfort for the body is the quick absorption of the body moisture and its effective release into the atmosphere through the clothing. Elasticity. When a stretched fiber returns immediately to its original shape, the fiber is said to possess elasticity. When fibers are stretched to a small extent, they are highly elastic. Strength. Strength is the ability of a textile fiber to withstand a pulling force without breaking. If a particular fiber can withstand a heavy pulling force, we can say that it has a high strength. Color. Basically, fibers are either white or off-white. So colors have to be added to them. Some fibers have more affinity to dyes than the other fibers. Color depends on this affinity. The dye affinity of the fiber or fabric, the degree to which the fibers of fabric are receptive to dyes and colors. The more absorbent, the greater is the affinity of the dye. Activity. Make a chart showing effect of heat on fibers. Summing up, the properties of fibers have been discussed in this unit. The factors which control comfort, moisture, absorption, and other properties of fibers have been discussed. It is shown that fibers have wide range of properties. Possible answers to self-check questions. The word quality indicates degree of excellence of fiber or the fabric. All fibers have different qualities because of different growing conditions, such as varieties of plants, breeds of animals, soil and climate, and cultivation methods. The answer to your question number 2 was, the essential properties of fibers are its length, strength, uniformity, and elasticity. Thank you.